Hello everyone.
In our last video, we went over the most important questions, and in this video, we're going to solve them. A1A complete. Next up is question 1B, and question 1B, and right after that, we'll dive into question 2B. Let's get started.
You can take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot.
Welcome back. In our last video, we covered Module 1. Today, we are diving into the most important exam questions for Module 2. Question 1. Explain, divide and conquer, design, merge, sort, and derive its time complexity. Question 2. Question 2. Design the quick sort algorithm. Question 3. This important question. Explain Strassen's matrix multiplication and derive its time complexity.
You can take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot.
Level 2, Level 58.
You can take screenshot. You can take screenshot. You can take screenshot. You can take screenshot.
Today we will discuss in fourth module. This is an example. Seven PA. Eighth A. Eighth B. 90. This is the fifth module. Ninth B.
You can take screenshot. 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 You can take screenshot.
Still scrolling? No real skills? Meet Talent Connect. This is Talent Connect. Learn new skills, do real work, and get paid. Join the platform today and start earning. Real work, real learning. Learn, work, earn. Link in bio.